Alright, this is existing regulator. You can see here, cable's all screwed up. I got the pieces down here. That's the motor fits in here. And the cable got all tangled up. You can see here. It was not repairable. So basically I just have to pull this whole regulator out of here, which requires taking off some bolts on both sides of the window there to pull the whole window assembly off the door. And then we can replace the parts. These are the screws, 1, 2, 3, and 4 to undo, so they can pull that whole thing out of there along with the frame bolts. Should be relatively easy to do, so let's start tearing that apart. Alright, as you can see, the window regulator is now off. Taking the whole section of the door out. And only little problematic piece was this. This is sticking in the corner. It's just for the mirror. So you've got to be careful when I put that back together. And snap that back in place. And the rest is in the garage here. There's the window regulator. As looking from the outside and the inside, this is sitting there somewhere like, I think like this. I'll have to figure that out. So I'm going to pull these off, hold in the window, and put the new one in, kind of make it sort of sit the same way. Alright, just unscrewed those. Just pull it like that. That window should pop out pretty easily. I need to slide it down though. Alright, here's the new window regulator I ordered. It was about 65 bucks. These are the pieces that hold the windows in place. They fold around the window. This is the new metal portion. Flip this whole thing over. See right there. So, let's see this. So that's where the motor fits in on the door. The cabling, and these are the rails for the window. So the window will fit on, I guess this will snap in sort of like this, and then actually I guess the other way around, so like that, and then the window folds over it on both sides. Holds the window, and then there's be 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Hold those all in to allow the window to be stabilized when on the rails here. So now I'm just gonna take off the old one. Alright, now we're ready to put the window back in. So I just cleaned off the ends here and install this on both sides, and should be good. Alright, seem to have the window in now. Both these are tightened enough, I think, and we'll slide it back up. door panels, or the frames all in along here. Bolts on the outside are under here and under there are complete. All 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4 are done. And I just installed the motor. It's all aligned, everything's good, plugged in the cables. One last one here, that's for the actual door panel. So I guess I can grab the door panel and we can see if this works. Alright, here's the door panel connector. It's right there as well. Pretty funky connector actually. Window. Alright, door panel's finished, and yep, it's all back together. I just got to charge the battery because having it on for a little while, I should drain the battery a bit, so do that and we'll be good to go.